We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. So, if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.